So in this video we are going to see about switch level modeling, and here we can model the digital system based on the behavior of MOSFETs. And here the set of switch primitives. In structural gate level modeling we design a digital system using logic gate primitives, and here we use set of switch primitives to describe a digital system. Here the inbuilt switch primitives are NMOS, PMOS, CMOS, pull up and pull down. And the NMOS is used to describe the function of NFET. So for give strong logic 0 we use this NMOS. So we have to define the NMOS function for logic 0. And here the PMOS is used for PFET. So it will provide logic 1, so we have to define the PMOS for getting VDD, and CMOS for both NMOS and PMOS. So we use a single syntax to represent both NMOS and PMOS using CMOS. And also pull up we used for giving always logic 1 value, and pull down for giving the output is equal to always 0. So these are the inbuilt switch primitives. And also the keyword used to represent the logic 1 and logic 0 is supply 1 for logic 1, and this means this give to the VDD, and supply 0 represent the logic 0, and this given to 0 volt or ground. Next the Verilog syntax for this NMOS and PMOS are this NMOS and this MOS name, FET name, give any name, and output and data and control signal. So we will write a code for this NMOS and PMOS for CMOS inverter. So it consists of PMOS for giving logic 1 and NMOS for giving logic 0. So first we start with module. This is inverter, and we have to give the input and output. And here input is, suppose I give input is A and output is out. This input is A I give, and now input is A, output is out, and next we give the logic 0 and logic 1 as using this keyword supply 1, that is VDD, supply 0, that is ground. So now we define the input supply voltage. So now we are going to describe the NMOS and PMOS. So first we write it for PMOS. So PMOS, any name, I give P1, and here the out is A when VDD. So this is the PMOS. When this PMOS get a input, so it will provide the output equal to VDD. Similarly we can write it for NMOS, out A ground. So whenever this NMOS on, we will get the output as ground. So now we going to end the module. So first we define the module with input and output, and give the supply, that is for logic 1 and logic 0. Now write the syntax for PMOS and NMOS. So now PMOS on, we will get the output as VDD. When CMOS on, we will get output is equal to ground. Next we see about pull up, and this pull up always gives the high output. So pull up bracket out means the output is always 1. Pull down, it always gives the low output. So now this one with this resistor, this is act as a pull up, and output connected to ground, that is the 0, that is act as a pull down resistor. So now we can define the PMOS, because PMOS provide logic 1. So entire PMOS, instead of using PMOS we just use this pull up, and for NMOS we can use this pull down. So now we can explain this pull up and pull down for the example 3 input NOR gate, and here the PMOS is entirely replaced with pull up resistor, and NMOS is used as usual. So we can write a code for this 3 input NOR gate using pull up method. So now we are going to write the code for 3 input NOR gate. So first define the module NOR 3, and inputs are A comma B comma C, and output is out. So now define input is A B C, and output is out. And now we give the supply 0 alone, because the entire logic 1 is replaced by pull up, so we need not to define logic 1, that is supply 1 VDD, just give the supply 0 ground. And this is for NMOS declaration. So first NMOS N1, we get the output as ground always, so out A is ground. So this is the definition of NMOS. We always get output as ground. So for all NMOS, we define output is equal to ground. So now we just give pull up out. So when pull up get on, it will provide output always logic 1. So this is the definition for NMOS and pull up. For logic 1, we here use pull up. So we just end module. So this is the 3 input NOR gate. We define a NMOS as output always 0 for logic 0, and logic 1 we use pull up here. So this is for logic 1 and this is for logic 0. So similarly we can use CMOS primitives that use both NMOS and PMOS. So the syntax, Verilog syntax for CMOS primitive is CMOS, the name and out comma data comma N control and P control. So by using this single syntax we can describe both NMOS and PMOS.